Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Milwaukee Pex Crimper is probably one of the most important tools for any plumber or DIY enthusiast working with PX piping. Its durability, ease of use, and consistent crimps make it a worthwhile investment for both professionals and homeowners tackling plumbing projects, ensuring reliable and long-lasting connections, saving you time and preventing costly leaks down the line. Number 5. Milwaukee M12 Force Logic Press Tool Kit. This innovative tool makes pressing connections a breeze. Its lightweight design and intuitive controls ensure effortless operation. Say goodbye to cumbersome pressing tools. It's designed for ease of use, even in tight spaces. Built to withstand the toughest jobs, it's highly durable and reliable. You can count on it to perform, time after time. It handles a wide range of connection sizes, making it versatile for various applications. This saves you time and money. Everything you need is right here in one convenient kit. Get started quickly and efficiently. Experience the power and precision of Milwaukee's M12 system. It's the smart choice for professionals. What we like. This tool's ease of use and handling makes PX crimping a breeze. Its robust build ensures it can withstand even the toughest jobs. If you value simplicity and durability in your tools, this is the one for you. What people say. No more soldering copper pipes. With this tool the job is so much simpler and faster. I used it to install 2 hot water heaters. Tool is compact and fits in most spaces about drop ceiling. The press is simple to use. Highly recommend for fitting pipe. We use primarily for 3/4 copper in a senior care center. Sweating pipes in 100-year-old walls is nerve-wracking at best. I had a big scare a year ago but kept sweating pipe after a bit anyway. I recently came across the same situation again, pipes in a void right next to 125-year-old wood. The homeowner expressed concern, so I paused the plumbing phase of the project and ordered this tool as well as the Milwaukee copper pipe cutter. It took 3 days to arrive and I was going to sweat what I could outside then press it in place, but once I had the tool in hand I just used the Pro Press on all of the fittings. All I can say is wow, it cut my time in half and looks much cleaner than sweating. Number 4. RIDGID RP241 Press Tool Kit. This is the RIDGID RP241, a compact press tool designed for efficiency and ease of use. It's perfect for various piping applications, saving you time and effort. It's lightweight and well-balanced, making it ideal for overhead work and tight spaces. You'll appreciate its maneuverability and control. With its one-handed operation and color-coded lights, it's incredibly user-friendly. You'll find pressing pipes a breeze. It features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to monitor its cycle count and battery life directly from your smartphone. Stay informed and in control. This tool boasts a long battery life, capable of handling up to 140 presses on a single charge. It's ready to tackle even the most demanding jobs. It handles copper, stainless steel, PX, and iron pipes with ease. It's a versatile tool for a wide range of plumbing tasks. What we like. Its compact design excels in tight spaces, while Bluetooth connectivity keeps you informed. The long-lasting battery ensures you can power through large projects. If you need a versatile and convenient tool for various applications, this is perfect for you. What people say. Great tool and faster and cleaner installations. Very easy to use, no more stress or worries about leaks, fast and convenient. Being a plumbing contractor, this tool is one of the best out there. Number 3. Ryobi P661 1 Plus PX Tool. This Ryobi tool is perfect for your next plumbing project. It's a powerful and efficient way to crimp PX rings. This refurbished tool has been thoroughly tested and certified to work like new. It's ready to tackle your toughest jobs. It has been rigorously tested, cleaned, inspected, and repackaged to ensure quality. You'll receive a tool in excellent condition. Everything you need is included with your purchase. It comes with all the necessary accessories for immediate use. It may arrive in a generic box, but it's ready to work. Get started on your project right away. This refurbished tool comes with a warranty for your peace of mind. Check the details for specific coverage. What we like. It's a great value option that has been thoroughly tested and certified to work like new. You get a reliable tool at a lower cost. If you're on a budget but still need a dependable tool, this is a smart choice. What people say. This crimper lets me make the crimps with ease. It works so well, I am using it for all my crimps. It is making the job go much faster, and without as much waste. It's easy to use and it fits in narrow spaces, which makes it a time saver. No more trying to use upper body strength in odd places to crimp the pecs rings. Number 2. Milwaukee 2674-22C Press Tool Kit. This kit is a game changer for professionals. It's designed for efficiency and precision, saving you time and effort on the job. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. This means you can work faster and more efficiently. The spring-loaded jaws ensure precise alignment every time. This eliminates guesswork and ensures a perfect crimp. It features an auto-cycle function for a full press every time. This guarantees consistent, reliable results. It comes complete with all necessary accessories, ready to use straight out of the box. Everything you need is right here. This is a brand new kit, still in its original packaging. It's ready for immediate use. What we like. This tool ensures perfect alignment and complete presses every time, saving you time and effort. It's brand new, guaranteeing peak performance. If you prioritize precision and reliability, this is the ideal option for you. What people say. Great set. Works flawlessly. A real game changer when it comes to roughing in pipes. All you need are a pair of PEX cutters and some Viega fittings and you're ready to start installing. This Milwaukee 2674-22C short throw press tool kit can still be operated with one hand. This tool makes installing PEX fittings a breeze. Easy to use and holds a charge for quite a while. Number 1. Milwaukee M12 2473-20 Press Tool. This innovative tool is designed for ease of use and effortless handling. Its intuitive design makes any pressing job simple and efficient. Experience the difference of a perfectly balanced tool. It's lightweight yet powerful, reducing strain during extended use. Built to withstand the toughest jobs, it's made from high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. You can rely on it time and time again. This tool utilizes Milwaukee's Force Logic technology for optimal pressing power and control. It ensures precise and consistent results every time. This innovative design eliminates the need for separate jaws, simplifying setup and reducing the risk of damage. It's ready to work when you are. This tool is part of the Milwaukee M12 system, offering seamless integration with other compatible tools. Maximize your efficiency and get the job done faster. What we like. This tool offers the same ease of use and durability as its kit counterpart, but allows you to customize your jaw selection. If you prefer to build your own kit and prioritize a simple, durable design, this is the best option. What people say. It still works great. Works great. I have used it once and it's amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.